Hi and welcome back to WTF RC Cars. So today we thought we'd try and answer a question on the Traxxas sway bar or anti-roll bar kit and the rear spoiler. Are they worth having? So we got a little track setup. We got two identical stock Revos. The blue one has the anti-roll bar or sway bar kit fitted front and rear on the softest sway bar bars that you get with the kit. You do get two lots, soft and hard. So we've got rear spoiler sway bar kit on the blue one, and the red one is running completely stock. Now, because we tend to run these more around a track than bashing, or we set a track up to race these round rather than just bashing over jumps and everything, we do run the suspension pretty low. So they do handle pretty good as they are. But we just wanted to see how far you could push one with a sway bar kit compared to one without, and see when they flipped, or if it did make any difference to them. From most of this video, it's only a short one, but most of them you can see I was really hammering the blue one, braking really hard and throwing the back end out on a lot of corners, and there's just no signs of roll at all in it. It really does work well, apart from when I keep hitting cones, but that's my driving, not a sway bar kit. But yeah, hope this answers your question. If you like it, like and subscribe. Any comments, leave below. And that was the limit where the red one flipped over.